Good afternoon, students. In class, we discussed with the journal, how to pass the journal, and from that, we see the theory portion with regard to ledger. So we will start with our problem part with regard to the ledger. How you people need to prepare the ledger also. So how it is to be. Passing the journal entry, and from the journal entry, this is to be transferred to different accounts. That is the ledger. Okay. So I will explain it to you. Just a minute. So we will continue. So I'm going to share one problem with you, how it is to be done. So hope you are clear with the journal part. So we will start with this one. Prepare the ledger accounts from the following. So here, this question, firstly, in the question it is showing prepare ledger accounts only. But for our sake, we are preparing with the journal also. So Ranjit started business with the cash, and this one splitting the board into two, then only it will be easy for you. So Ranjit started business with the cash rupees 3,000, 30,000, and furniture rupees 10,000. So cash account debtor, how much it is? 30,000. Then furniture, first entry is this. Furniture account debtor 10,000 to capital account, that is 40,000. This is the first entry. Okay. So first entry is this one. Cash account debtor 30,000, furniture account debtor 10,000 to capital account. This is the first entry. Second entry, what is that? Opened a bank account with rupees 6,000. So bank account debtor to cash account 6,000. This is the second entry. Third is purchased goods on cash 2,000 and on credit from Ali rupees 5,000. So purchases account debtor entry to cash etra purchase 2,000, that is to Ali, from Ali, that is Ali's account. How much it is? 5,000. So total 7,000 purchases they made. Fourth entry, sold goods for 3,000. So it is for cash. So cash account debtor to sales, how much it is? 3,000. Then paid into bank rupees 10,000. So paid into bank is same as depositing into bank. So 5 bank account debtor to cash 1,000. Okay. Then cash paid to Ali 2,500. So Ali debtor to cash. Ali debtor to cash, because who is getting the money? Ali. So Ali debtor to cash, that is 2,500. Then cash withdrawn from office 500. 500 രൂപ ഓഫീസിൽ നിന്ന് withdraw ചെയ്യും. So drawings account debtor to cash, how much it is? 500. Okay. Then paid salary 300, rent 200. So 8th entry, salary debtor, rent account debtor. What is the expenses? These two expenses. So that is to be debited, and nominal account. So cash is going out of the business. So cash to cash account, and salary is 300. Then the other one 200. So 500. Then cash sales of rupees 2000, of which rupees sent to bank, of rupees 1000 sent to bank. So cash sale of rupees 2500. So ninth, two entry need to pass. Cash account debtor to sales. Cash is coming in 2500. And one more entry need to pass, that is of 2500, 1000 is deposited to bank. So bank account debtor to cash 1000. And last case, goods purchased from Ali rupees 3000 subject to a trade discount of 5%. So 5% trade discount. 5% trade discount. So how much it is? 150, isn't it? So see the total trade discount 150. So 2850 we need to pass the net purchase. So purchase account debtor. What is that? Trade discount is not recorded in the books of account, only the net amount is considered. So in that way, what is that? Goods purchased from Ali rupees 3000. So purchase account debtor to Ali. Last entry. To Ali. So that is how much? 2850 only need to enter because 150 is the trade discount. So see what all are there? Cash account, furniture to capital, bank to cash, purchases to cash to Ali, cash to sales, bank to cash, Ali debtor to cash, drawings to cash, salary debtor, rent debtor to cash account debtor to sales, and bank account debtor to cash, because out of the 2500 cash received, 1000 is deposited to bank. Another, okay? Then purchase account debtor to Ali. So these are the entries to be prepared. These are the entry. Here in the question, only ledger accounts need to prepare. So what all ledger accounts? Cash is one account, furniture is another account, capital is another account, bank is one account, purchase account, Ali's account, sales account. Then we need to count it. How many accounts need to prepare? Cash is 1, furniture is 2, capital is 3, bank is 4, purchases 5, Ali is 6, sales 7, then drawings 8, salary 9, rent 10. I think 10 accounts need to prepare, isn't it? 10 accounts need to prepare this one. So how we will pass this entry or account? So we will start with firstly the entry is what? I will do one thing, the account I will prepare it here. Okay, better in this way. So, firstly, Ranjit started business with a cash and 80,000 and furniture rupees 10,000. So, cash account debtor, furniture account debtor to capital. So, firstly, cash account. Because a big one. Then furniture. Only a small one because only one thing we will pass it. Small one in the sense here, the capital I will put it. Capital. So, how this is to be entered? First entry is what? Cash account debtor, furniture account debtor to capital. So, cash account, this is the debit side, this is the credit side. Furniture debit, this is the credit side. Capital debit, credit side. So, every account has a debit or credit side, isn't it? So, we need to pass that journal entry passed, that is to be transferred to the account. So, firstly, to capital. I'm not putting the date and all, but in your exam point of view, you need to put the date particulars. This is the column, date particulars journal folio amount column. So 4 columns need to pass: date, then particulars, journal folio amount, both the sides, date, particulars, journal folio amount. Like the same, date, particulars, journal folio amount, date, particulars, journal folio amount. So cash account debtor, firstly to capital, how much is the amount? 30,000. Then furniture account debtor to capital, so how much it is? 10,000. Okay, then that credit by side by cash, how much it is? 30,000. By furniture, 10,000. Okay, second entry is what? Opened a bank account with 6,000 rupees. So, excuse me. So, second entry is open the bank account with 6,000. So, another entry, another account, bank account need to pass. So, this also having debit side and credit side. So, cash account debtor to capital, furniture account debtor to capital, and capital by cash and furniture. Next is second entry is what? Opened a bank account with 6,000. Cash and bank account debtor to cash are original entry. So, by bank 6,000 and to cash 6,000. So, what is that? Bank account debtor to cash. Debit side of a bank account to cash, credit side of a cash account by bank. That is the posting of the transaction. Debit and credit credit debit. So that is bank account debtor to cash and cash account debtor to bank. Third is purchased goods on cash rupees 2,000 and on credit from Ali rupees 5,000. So there is another account called Ali need to prepare. So entry is what? Purchased goods on cash rupees 2,000. So purchase account debtor to cash. And one more account, purchases account also. Purchases account also. Those accounts which have more transaction need to be, you give more space. So purchase account debtor to cash. So purchase account debit side to cash. How much it is? 2,000. And cash account credit side by purchases 2,000. And one more thing, crediting made. So purchase account debtor to Ali. To Ali, how much it is? 5,000. And Ali credit by purchases 5,000. So once again, bank account, what is that? Purchased goods on cash. So entry, original entry is purchase account debtor, Ali debtor to cash. Sorry, purchase account debtor to Ali. Purchase account debtor to cash to Ali. So that is purchase account debit side to cash to Ali. Cash in the credit side by purchases, Ali credit side also by purchases. Then next is sold goods for rupees 3,000. So here the party's name is not mentioned, so it is cash sales. So another account we need to prepare, sales account. Sales account. So what is that? Sold goods for cash. Cash, it is understood that it is cash. So 3,000. Cash account debtor to sales. The entry we are going to prepare is what? Cash account debtor to sales. So to sales it is 3,000. Then paid into bank rupees 1,000. Bank to pay. So bank account debtor to cash 1,000. Cash by bank 1,000. Then cash paid to Ali. So Ali debtor to cash. Cash paid to Ali 2,500. Then cash paid to Ali. So Ali debtor to cash, that is the entry. So Ali debit side to cash, cash in the credit side by Ali. That's 2,500. Then cash withdrawn from office for rupees 500. So what is the entry? Drawings account debtor to cash. So by drawings, how much it is? 500. One entry, there is no space, that is why I am not putting. There is this entry, cash account that sold goods. Okay, cash account debtor to sales 3,000. So here by cash 3,000. See, then what is that? Cash withdrawn for office rupees 500. So, cash withdrawn from office, drawings account debtor to cash. Drawings account debit side to cash 500, cash in the credit side by drawings 500. Drawing entry is drawings account debtor to cash. So, drawings account debtor to cash, cash in the drawings account debit side to cash in the credit side by drawings. Now, drawings account and one account debit side, this side, like purchase in the debit side, debit side. So, debit side to cash value, cash in the credit side by drawings. Paid salary rupees 300 and rent rupees 200. Rent account would extra value. Cash already would entry salary account debtor 300, rent account debtor 200 to cash. Salary account in the suppose salary account in the debit side to cash. This suppose rent account in the debit side to cash. The corresponding amount 300 for salary and 200 for rent. That's credit side, cash in the credit side by salary by rent 300 200. Cash sales rupees 2,500, of which rupees 1,000 sent to bank. Entry cash sales, so cash account debtor to sales 2,500. Then sales by cash 2,500. No space for the board. One account need to finish and then only we will go to the next. That is, so cash sales 2,500, of which rupees 1,000 sent to bank. That is to be deposited to bank. But deposit in the entry in bank account debtor to cash item. So here by bank item. Okay. And goods purchased from Ali rupees 3,000 subject to a trade discount of 5%. I entry cash sales, cash account debtor to sales, or to sales by cash. And bank account debtor to cash item. So, in other case, goods purchased from Ali rupees 3,000 subject to a trade discount of 5%. 5% trade discount. Now, 3,500 150 കുറഞ്ഞ അപ്പം 2850 entry എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. അതാണ് ട്രേഡ് ഡിസ്കൗണ്ടിന്റെ. So trade discount ആണെങ്കിൽ we no need to pass the entry for the trade discount. Only the net amount, the net sale need to pass. So goods are purchased from Ali. So purchase account debtor to Ali. So Aliയുടെ കേസിൽ purchasesന്റെ ഇതിലും അവരുണ്ട്. So purchase account debtor to Ali 2850 and by purchase 2850. So, see here, these are the entries that is to be transferred. Now, oru account in balance cheyyanam. But take the total of the cash to credit, total of the debit side and credit side for each and every account. For example, see here, capital 30,000, 3000, 2500 cash in day. Now, debit side 30,000 plus 5,500, 35,500 minus this items. So there will be a balance coming by balance carried down. That is the original balance of cash. See the screen. See the screen. To capital 30, to sales 3,000. Yes, one more entry is there required. On 10th there is 500. That I forgot. That is 10th. What is that? Cash withdrawn from office. That is 500. That is the cash withdrawn from office. 10, 10, 10, 10. What is the entry? Drawings is not there. I think ഓഫീസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പേഴ്സണൽ ഇതിനല്ല, പേഴ്സണൽ ആണെങ്കിലേ ഡ്രോയിങ്സിന് വരുള്ളൂ. അപ്പം ഇവിടെ ദിസ് എൻട്രി നീഡ് ടു ബി ചേഞ്ച്ഡ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് എൻട്രി നീഡ് ടു ബി ചേഞ്ച്ഡ്. ഡ്രോയിങ്സ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ലെറ്റർ എന്നുള്ള ഇത് മാറ്റി പകരം എന്ത് എൻട്രി വരണം? ക്യാഷ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ലെറ്റർ ടു ബാങ്ക് എന്നൊരു എൻട്രി വരും. സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ വൺ. ദിസ് ഈസ് ഐ ആം റിമൂവിംഗ്. Okay, so see the entries, see the screen, you can check the screen. Cash account letter to capital, to sales 3000, again to sales 2500, to bank 500. Credit side by bank, then by purchases 2000, by bank again 1000, then by Ali 2500, then by salary 300, by rent 200, and by bank again 1000. So how much is the balance? See, take the total 35,500 minus the total of this. So we will get a 35,500 36,000. Okay, 36,000 minus the total of this. So we will get a, how much it is? 23,000 balance. This is the cash balance. Now available cash balance is only with that company 23,000. Like the same furniture. See, 10,000 one item is only there. So that 10,000 we need to write it where? That 10,000 we need to write it here, isn't it? This is the date column, particulars column, journal folio column, amount column. So that is, see the 10,000 by balance carried out. That is the total only. So this 23,000 here need to pass to balance carried down, and then that balance is to be brought down. This, see the two balance brought down 23,000. Then furniture account here, like the same 10,000 that is to be carried down and brought down. Then capital account 30 plus 10 40. So see this capital account 40,000 to balance carried down. Due to the shortage of space in the board, I will what is that? Whatever I have the space, I am putting that one. So 40,000. So 30 plus 10 40. That is to be brought down later. See there, everywhere there is brought down by balance, brought down, and then bank. See the bank account to cash is 6,000, to cash again is 1,000, and to cash again is 1,000. So yes, some more entry we missed. 10th, yes, this entry cash account letter to bank. So by cash 500, isn't it? Only that entry is missed. So that is C. ബാങ്ക് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെബിറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ 6, 7, 8 8000 ബാലൻസ്, ഇവിടെ 500 ബാലൻസ് ക്രെഡിറ്റ് സൈഡ്. സോ ബാങ്കിന്റെ ബാലൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 7500. സോ ബൈ ബാലൻസ് ക്യാരി ഡൗൺ 7500. സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് 8000. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ടു ബി ബ്രോട്ട് ഡൗൺ ഹിയർ ടു ബാലൻസ് ബ്രോട്ട് ഡൗൺ. ആൻഡ് ദെൻ അലിയുടെ നോക്കിക്കേ, Ali debtor, Ali's account. We need to check the Ali's account. See this one. To cash 2,500, by purchase 5,000, by purchase again 2,850. So 7,850 total, and there is a, see, to balance carried down. Right? എത്രയാണ് പുള്ളിക്ക് ബാലൻസ്? ഇനി 7,850 2,500 കൊടുത്തുള്ളൂ, ബാക്കി ഇനി കിടക്കുക അല്ലേ? സോ 5,350 ബാലൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. That 5350 to be carried down. Sorry, brought down. ആദ്യം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത് carried down, പിന്നെ അത് താഴോട്ട് എഴുതുന്നത് that is the brought down. Then what is the account? Sales account. Then purchase account. We need to check the purchase. See, nominal account like expenses and income just only add up. No need to write the balance like that. From this we are taking it to the trial balance. So that is the case purchases. So 5 plus 2 7 plus 2. How much? 9850. That 9850 to be added up here. And the sales also, how much? 5,500. See, 5,500. Sales 5,500 only, and the salary and also the rent account. See, in the same way, we will put it. In the same way, we will put it. So, salaries account, nominal account, expense alley. And just our total up. Only personal account and real account need to balance it. See, this is the personal, this is the real account. Personal account and real account. See the personal account, Ali. Then see the real account, we are balancing. So you need to keep it in mind. What is there? Only the personal account, person's name is there, that should be balanced. And other than that, asset account like cash, furniture, machinery, capital, everything, okay, that should be balanced. So this is the way we are transferring the entries from the journal to the ledger and balance it. So from the journal to the ledger, we are transferring, that is the posting. See, cash account debtor to capital, then furniture account debtor to capital, and capital account credit side by cash by furniture. Our procedure that is the posting of the accounts. And after posting, we need to check the balances, whether the debit side is or credit side is higher. Here in this case, cash account, see the debit side is higher. 36,000 is the total, isn't it? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 6, 36. 36,000 is the total, and the debit side is high. When compared to the credit side, we are taking the balances. This is the balance. The process is the balancing in the so that is the case. Hope you are clear with this, isn't it? Hope you are clear with the how to pass the journal entry, and also here only in the question it is only describing us only to pass the ledger accounts. But for this is the first problem, so I did in this way. Pass it to the journal entry, and from the journal entry it is to be transferred to the ledger accounts, and that is posting is done and balancing also to be done. And these balances from this, we are taking it and preparing the trial balance. So we will go through the trial balance and all, and with the ledger accounts and this in the next class. So hope you understood the thing. So please have a look at today's classes, and please let me know if anybody is having any doubt so that I need to explain it to you more. So thank you for the day.